Understood. So first, understand the definition of the carburation. Carburation is a process of preparing formation of a combustible fuel air mixture by mixing proper amount of fuel with air before supplying to the engine cylinder is called carburation. So the device which does this mixing job is called carburetor. As I told you, there are different types of carburetors. We study only the carburetors which is used for automobile engines. Okay. So factors affecting the carburation is the mixing of fuel and air depends on the many factors in the engine. There are only the four major parts we have listed here. The main depends upon the engine speed because the engine speed is not constant. It is a variable speed. So for every seconds or for every minute, the engine speed will be varying, or either it will be increasing or it may be decreasing, depends upon the load on the engine. So that is a one factor, it affects the carburation. As the engine speed increases, the carburetor has to do more work, more fuel air mixture has to supply to the cylinder. The vaporization characteristics of the fuel, and it also depends upon the type of fuel you are using. If the property called vaporization of the fuel, the vaporization characteristics of the fuel is better, then it will become easy for mixing fuel and air and it will supply to the engine. But it does not depend only on particular fuel because there are different types of fuel are there in the nature you are using for automobiles. So it is also depend vaporization, atomization process, and the temperature of the air incoming the air because the temperature of the air is also a factor. For example, you take an engine, okay, you are supplying air to the engine at a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. So 40 degrees Celsius air is mixing with fuel. The combustible characteristics of the mixture will be different. And if you are sending 70 degrees Celsius air temperature air to the fuel, then the combustion characteristics, the atomization, vaporization inside the combustion chamber will be different. So it depends on not only vaporization and speed, it depends upon the temperature of the air, what you are supplying to the carburetor. That is also one important factor. And finally, the design of the carburetor. There are different types of carburetors used for different vehicles. For Jeeps, it is different. For Ford cars, it is different. So different manufacturers use the different carburetors. It depends upon the applications of that particular vehicle. If it is used for only transportation purpose, that the air fuel mixture required is different. If you are using for any heavy duty vehicles, like for doing any lifting load, doing cracking the earth, walls, some construction purpose, we need more power. In that, the carburetors required is different. So it also depends upon the design